Today, day one of my 75 hard day challenge for serious preparation. No excuses, no shortcut, just pure discipline and hard work. I'm dedicating the next 75 days to becoming the best version of myself, not just physically but mentally too. Here is what my 75 hard challenge look like for serious preparation. Study 6 hours daily, covering every subject: history, geography, English, and maths. Daily workout, 45 minutes of exercise for physical fitness because a healthy body means a sharp mind. Read 10 pages daily, reading books to improve my knowledge, focus, and mindset. Daily test. Attempt one practice paper or mock test every day. Drink 3 liters of water. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining energy and focus. No cheat days. Sticking to a disciplined schedule no matter what. I'm doing this because I believe that dreams are achieved through consistent hard work and relentless focus. My goal is to clear the serious exam and inspire others to chase their dream too. Study in a focused manner with books and notes, solving a mock test, doing a workout, running or push-ups, reading a motivational book, drinking water with a quick hydration shot, marking the day completed on the challenge board. One day at a time, one step to closer my dream. This is how you win. If you are chasing a goal, join me in this journey. Together we will prove that discipline beats everything. Let's crash this challenge and make our dreams a reality. Stay tuned for updates on my progress. Day 1 done, 75 more to go. The journey to greatness start now.